Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage voice assistant for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. So, by default you cannot call it, but we need to add it to the gesture and then we can do this. You need to open HUAWEI Life application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now go to the scroll down and go to the gesture control. Now we can add it only for the double press. So select you want to use the left or right earbud. I'm going to use the right one, but you can use also the left one. Tap at this line and select Wake Voice Assistant. Now, as I said, we can only add it for the double press, because for the triple press we have nothing. Press and hold, no voice assistant, and swipe we have only volume control. Now let's check it. So, the touch area is located at the back side. You need to press 2 times, 1, 2, but maybe I need to put this earbud to my ear and then press 2 times, 1, 2. And as you can see, voice assistant awake, I call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.